Hey, Darren Campbell with Confident Home Solutions, licensed general contractor, remodeler in North Carolina. Well, we got a little job here to where we're dividing this garage up. Put a wall up, actually. Harley put the wall up. And, well, a little bit longer than that. But what we're going to do is we're going to get this all drywalled. We're trying to wrap the ceiling up, get that drywalled today, and gonna put some doors in here. So we're gonna condition this side of the garage. So we're gonna get some heat and AC in this side. So you kind of follow us along as we move ahead on this. We have a garage door down here. I don't know if you can see that. That's coming out, and we're going to put a, of course, a door in the center and a couple windows on the side. And yeah, but either way, I think we're going to get all the drywall up in here first. And yeah, we had to go get a couple pieces of material. Harley's wrapping up the ceiling up here. Yeah. Alright, so we got the gold black mixer here. Served us very well. It's a fantastic mixer. Ergonomics are really well, bunch of power, but it's got this lousy thing. Same thing going for the DeWALT here. This joist drill. We actually started with this as a mixer, and we kept it around for the fact of running our larger hole saws. A good and a bad with this. This is a 2-speed. Yeah, it has that switch right there. It's too slow on the low and too fast on the high. So for both drilling and for mixing, it's the gearing's a little bit off on that. This one's, I think the gearing's pretty much on.
Mm-hmm. And it has a
now is this a 1-speed?
This is variable speed.
I know it's variable, but
it's a 2-speed.
Oh, it is 2.
Yeah, it goes up to.
Either way, it's got a bunch of power, and we've had very low. We've had no issues with it, except for breaking a blade down here. This mixer head actually came with it. But so when we were looking at mixers, Harley has tried to get into a cordless one. We waited for the DeWALT 60 volt that had the sealed compartment up here, due to the fact that when we're mixing thin sets and grouts and we're at a job, if occasionally rain comes up or whatever, that head would be, the battery and head would be sealed up. But DeWALT never brought it to the States. It's still over in Europe. And everybody that has it over there apparently loves it, but
you can buy it here for $800 US.
Oh, you can?
Yes.
Bare tool?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
That's a pretty steep price. So.
All right, so let me grab you a tool. We picked this up here, and Flex Volt. This has been around for about a year, and so what do you think of it?
I like it.
Our goals are to use this and to eliminate both of these. And I think we can do it. We have our mixer heads down there, and so we need to test it out in drywall. We need to test it out in thin set, mortar. Well, I guess mortar is stiffer than thin set, so if we're good in there. I believe it's going to work perfect in as far as the hole saw drill too. So let's get set up with that and we'll try it out. Alright, so we're going to try using this with a 6-inch hole saw. Anybody that's ran a 6-inch hole saw knows it can be a bear to run. They violently twist in a smaller drill, and if you try to run a 6-inch in an 18 volt or 20 volt, whatever, yeah, you can go for a ride in them. Burn the motor up too. Alright, so here we go. Let's try this out. Alright, cool. So nowhere in that entire time, the only reason why I relocated was to where I could put more pressure down on it. No time there did I ever feel like I was going to be injured or my hands, you know, that thing's already hot. Alright, let me do another hole. Alright, so I'm gonna, got her hooked up again, gonna run another hole. I was really pushing on that hard, so for it to grab like that. But let me tell you, if that would have grabbed with that other joist drill or other drills, man, it can be a twister. I mean, it can really twist your wrist up. This thing's awesome. I don't think I've ever felt so confident drilling this, and it has more than enough power. It's yeah, it has more than enough power for doing this. Let me get my... Now, I was purposely pushing really hard to see what it would be like when it grabs. And the length of handle that they give you here is extremely long. So, plus you can move this to the top if you want to. I think that's where Harley's using it for mixing. And then of course they have the one on the other side. So that'd be the mixing portion. One really cool thing, I think this chuck holder or the key holder is pretty nice. How they have that design. What do you think about it? It's taken me a little bit to get used to it, but yeah. So, okay.